So right here you can see I made $7.25 for watching this video. If you want to make more money by watching videos, all you need to do is click the play button, go to the next one more video, watch that video and collect rewards. After that, cash out and you will undoubtedly get pay. Currently, the reason I'm making this video because I love watching videos online, as well as I'm sure you also like watching videos. After all, you are watching one now. The great thing is that it's all free, no investment needed, and it will pay. You can do this even just with your smartphone. No matter where you are, in a bus, in a train, in a kitchen, or outside with friends, or you could be anywhere and you can still make money. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you want to watch this kind of video, make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If this video seems helpful, like it and share it with others. If you have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video, leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. So this is the main website which will pay you to watch short videos. But if you intend to earn most of this, stay here till the end of the video. You can see you will get rewarded for watching videos. You can complete different surveys and earn money for that as well. But it's not something I would undoubtedly recommend because those surveys take a lot of time to complete and can be super boring in some cases. So we are here to watch videos and get paid. Believe it or not, each of those videos can pay you up to $3. Yes, just by watching some videos on your phone, you can get paid up to $3 each. As well as it's extremely easy. You click on the play button and doing something else if you don't intend to watch the video. I know several of you may be wondering right now, like why on earth will this website pay you to watch videos? Why are they giving so much money? Well, because they are making a lot more cash. So the company is paying them to show you ads and watch those ads. Now that's not important to you. You are here to watch the videos, collect your profits and also leave. As well as watching videos and completing surveys are not just manner in which you can earn money on this website. Yet they likewise have a unique as well as an excellent referral program. They will pay you $1 for every new friend to invite to this website. If you have some friends or family that you believe could benefit from this and like to earn additional income, send them your referral link and have an excellent chance to make even more money. If you don't have both of referrals friends or family, or if you don't intend to share this website with any person, or you don't want to share this for whatever reason, go to Facebook and search some make money types of groups. Join those groups, share your referral web link in those groups and tell people about this website. There are thousands of people who wish to make money and also you are providing them something for free. So why not many of them could sign up, and as you understand, those groups have hundreds of thousands of members. You will undoubtedly make $1 for each member of a group for definitely cost free. And also don't worry, you don't have to wait weeks to get pay from this website. You reach $10 and you can cash out anytime. There are 2 or 3 ways to cash out, like PayPal and bank transfer. You can donate to charity if you want. Yet, I guess a lot of you will certainly take PayPal cash, which is okay. This is a pretty new app. They have already paid over $1 million to their participants, which is a lot considering signing up for this completely free app. So, all you need to do is come over to adwallet.com, as well as keep watching for bonus tips that just how to make even more cash. Anyways, you come to the adwallet.com or install this app on your phone device and then click here where it states sign up now and fill in some basic details regarding yourself and you are ready to go. And this is available only for top 10 countries like USA, Canada, China, Australia, UK. Then you can make use of Erazo.com. Now this one is not only you get more earning options, yet it's available worldwide. Also, they have features like Yahoo, CNN, The Wall Street Journal and more, and it's fantastic. So you can use Dash and watch a lot of fun videos as well, not just this. So it's a lot much more fun. And of course, it pays in PayPal as well. So come over the Erazo.com, click watch videos. After that, click on Get Started and then fill in your email address, your first name, your last name, create a password, sign up for free and start making money. Either by playing games, reading emails, watching videos or more, there is no limitation. You can make at least $10 to $30 a day if you can use both websites. Currently, as you can see, this is a fantastic way to earn money online. It will not be life-changing. However, I'm sure it will help you a lot. So if you want to make money online and want to know even more tricks and tips, then stick with me until the next video. I will come back soon with a brand new video. So that's it for today's video. Also, I hope you get some value out of this video. If you get, like it and share it with your friends and family. If you like to watch this kind of videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell button. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.